My name is Bilal. I'm from Victoria and I'm working as a sales manager in a company. Well, I have been surfing through a lot of courses in the market. I have been into this e-commerce and I was trying to get myself into this thing. So I have been through other courses and I have gone through them, but the only thing which attracted my attention for Alex was that he was getting personally involved with you to get your business going. So the gold package is what I strongly recommend, because that's where you get a chance to talk to Alex all the time, and you know what you're doing. You cannot just lose your direction. So that was the main reason for which I chose this course. I opted for it and I'm really getting benefit out of it. Well, it gives you a very strong direction of what you need to be done, because there are a lot of things which you need to do while especially if you're fresh into this business. Not everyone is good with online things like me. There are a lot of things to learn. So main getaway from the course is that it fast track your progress and it enhance the speed. I know there is a lot of material available on the internet, but I have been trying that myself for quite a long time, but I was getting nowhere with them. So if you're really serious into this business, you have to get some mentorship, and I think Alex is the best one to do that for you. Definitely. I've been on this journey for quite some time, like for past 7-8 months, which I honestly think I wasted that time. I have been trying to, like I said, I have been trying to contact different guys in the market and trying to understand, and I've done some courses also. But just doing the courses is like a diploma which you're doing, but you don't know actually on the practical field what you need to be done. The main advantage of course with Alex is that he helps you to get in the market. He does the hands-on training, and that's where it's a real value addition into this one.